Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you how to make plump nail art using magnetic gel. This nail art, which is a bit more challenging, is especially recommended for advanced users. It may be a bit difficult for beginners to handle, but I've tried to explain it in as much detail and as clearly as possible, so please be sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time, I'll be applying it to nail tips, but if you're applying it to your own nails, start by nail care, lightly file the surface, remove any oil with ethanol, then apply a base coat and cure it under a nail light, and then you should begin. First, prepare 4 colors of magnetic gel of your choice. In this case, we will use 4 colors here: aqua green, sky blue, berry peri, and iris purple. First, paint the base side of the nail with the first color. Use a thin long line brush to draw wavy curves. After drawing the wavy pattern, apply a magnet without curing. Apply a round magnet from the side to gather glitter at the edge of the wavy pattern. Once the glitter particles are gathered to one side, cure it with a nail light. Do the same as before, but this time draw wavy lines with the second color of magnetic gel. When you have finished drawing, gather the glitter with the magnet. Harden it with the light. And continue drawing in the same way with the third and fourth colors. Once cured, apply the non-white matte coat to the entire nail. We will be rubbing in the mirror powder after this, so before that, let's first apply a matte coat so that if any of the mirror powder splatters, it can be easily wiped off. After the entire surface is coated, cure. Next, draw lines between the 4 colors of magnetic gel. You can use gold spider gel or icing gel. First, take gel on a long thin line brush and draw thin lines between the magnetic gels. Try to draw lines as uniform in thickness as possible. After drawing the lines, Draw a line all the way around the nail. If you draw lines in gold, it will be less noticeable even if the mirror powder comes off. When you have finished drawing the lines, cure it. Next, rub mirror powder over the lines you just drew. Take an eyeshadow tip or your finger and gently rub the powder on it. Once all the lines are covered, brush off any excess powder with a soft brush. If any mirror powder splatters at this point, wipe it off with kitchen paper soaked in ethanol. Next, apply the non-wipe top coat over the entire nail. To avoid rubbing off the mirror powder you have just applied, gently stroke the brush to spread the coat. When the entire surface has been covered, cure. Finally, we will use icing gel to make the magnetic gel part look plump. Take the icing gel on an oval brush and put it on the nail. Then switch to a long thin line brush and fill in the icing gel just inside the line drawn with the mirror powder. This completes one side. To prevent the icing gel from dripping, once you have plumped up one side, hold it under a nail light for about 2 to 3 seconds to temporarily harden it. This way, you can make it plump without dripping. In the same way, apply icing gel only to the magnetic gel area to make it plump. Be careful not to apply it on the lines where you have rubbed on the mirror powder. After applying the 4 colors of icing gel and making them plump, expose it to a nail light for the amount of time indicated on the gel to completely harden it. This completes the process. The magnetic gel and icing gel have created a glittery and plump design. How did you like the plump nail art made with magnetic gel? The lines rubbed with mirror powder can be drawn with metallic color gel instead of icing gel. This is recommended especially for salon work because it does not require the effort of rubbing powder, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.